Okay, I'm gonna show you how to fix a broken sprinkler head. It's very easy and it doesn't usually require any tools. It'll take you just a few minutes. First thing you wanna do is identify the broken sprinkler head, clear away the debris. We're gonna loosen up the casing. That comes off easily. There is the broken part right there. That's what's shooting water straight up. All right, we'll get our replacement part right here. We don't need the whole piece, just the part that's broken. There's little arrows on there showing you the direction of the water flow. So you want to place those in with the arrows pointing in the direction where you want the water to be sprayed. We're going to put our casing back on. Screw that down tightly, not too tight. We don't want to strip the threads. There you go. It's replaced. With just a flathead screwdriver, you can now adjust the spray onto your lawn. Simple as that.